In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zero lag EMA and a simple trading strategy in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator, load it onto your chart, adjust the settings, and get yourself ready to use this simple strategy inside TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. This can be crypto, forex, stocks, or indices. It really doesn't matter which market you choose because the process is the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the tools and scripts live that you can add to your chart. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see different tabs and categories. But to keep this fast and simple, move straight to the search bar at the top of that window. Click into the search bar so you can start typing. This helps you jump directly to the exact tool you want, instead of scrolling through a long list of indicators. Now, in that search bar, type Zero Lag EMA and a simple trading strategy. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see the indicator appear in the list below the search box. Make sure you click on the correct one from the results so it gets added to your chart. Once you select it, you'll see new lines and possibly signals appear directly on your chart, depending on how the script is designed. After the indicator is added, look for the settings icon next to its name, usually found at the top of your chart area or in the indicator list. Click on Settings to open up the customization panel. Here you can adjust things like the length of the EMA, colors, line thickness, and any strategy parameters that the script allows you to tweak. Take a moment to make the visuals match your personal preference so the chart is easy to read. Clear visuals are crucial when you are making trading decisions, especially if you are watching price action in real time. Finally, if you have not signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock the full experience, you can use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with this setup, use multiple indicators, and save your layouts as you refine this zero lag EMA strategy for your own trading.